your Weather Max forecast with meteorologist Caitlin Moffitt.
Good morning and a happy Monday. We've got mild temperatures across the board, but we also have a little bit of some freezing rain being reported across the international border at the moment. You can kind of see it dwindles down quite a bit as it starts to enter most areas off to our north and west. As it starts to move across, that's what we're going to start to see this morning. So some areas might actually not even see any precip, but as it gets closer to the Lake Superior, I think we will see a little bit of snow mixing in around 9-10 o'clock. Only about a 40% chance, so not everyone across the board will see it. With these warmer temperatures, a lot of it's evaporating, but some areas up in the international border are still seeing that freezing rain coming down in terms of precip right now because temperatures are fairly mild. Near 33 up in Baudette, 28 in International Falls, 23 down in Moose Lake, 24 over in Siren. We're still holding steady at 24 in the Twin Ports as well. So very mild start this morning. Same goes for the Ironwood and Mercer area, still in the upper 20s. Average low temperature is typically 2 degrees for the Duluth area in early January. So very nice temperatures to start off 2021. But with these warmer temperatures, we've got a lot of snowpack on the ground, a good several inches, in which are cold temperatures on the ground. So with that warm, moist air kind of moving across the cold temperatures, we've got a lot of patchy fog that has developed this morning yet again. So it's similar to what we saw Thursday and Friday. It's going to stick with us for the morning hours for many counties, and with that hindering, of course, the sunshine that comes behind the system. So with that warm front, these warm and cold fronts are so close together with that weak low pressure system that those two are producing two different bands of a wintry mix. They will eventually become one band as it comes across the region, and behind that warm front is where we see a little bit of a brief warm up. Brief warm up meaning temperatures will climb into those low 30s for a couple of hours, and we'll see a few peaks of sunshine for areas off to our west, but then clouds will start to increase yet again behind that cold front. High pressure, though, staying to our south will keep conditions on the quieter side, but still we'll see a mixture of sunshine and clouds all day on Tuesday. Still warm temperatures, 30 degrees continuing through Wednesday. Average high is 19 degrees. So a very good start for the week, but a lot of cloud cover that will be hanging around for much of the first couple of days this forecast. Here's that line of snow around 11 o'clock this morning, kind of moving its way through the Twin Ports, Grand Marais, all the way through Superior, Wisconsin as well. Clouds still behind that system as that cold front continues to move through. The fog will also start to slowly lift, and then a few folks before the sun sets will start to see a few peaks of sunshine. Even here in the Twin Ports might be a little bit of on the fair side, but Ironwood, Hayward, Rhinelander, all going to be stuck in those clouds for most of the day today. We'll see a mixture of sunshine and clouds for Tuesday, but quieter conditions, and then we'll see a little bit of that rain-snow mix off to our west, but that does stay off to our south and west, and we'll just kind of be stuck in the cloud cover for your day on Wednesday. So a mild day ahead today, mid to upper 30s for most areas. Some even could approach that 40-degree mark yet again. Mid to upper 30s for northern Wisconsin, and then tonight we drop into the 20s, even some teens for some spots, but still a very mild stretch of weather continuing all the way through the first half of January. I mean, it's hard to believe we've got so many days in the 30s.
Yeah, it looks again like a very consistent few days once we get out of the little mess that we're going to have today.
Little mess there. Wednesday, a few folks could see some sprinkles, but the clouds kind of just hang around.
Very mild.
Yes.
Good
Very
for
nice.
people like me, I'm sure, who are heading out the door every couple hours to walk the dogs.
Exactly.
I feel like I don't have to fully bundle up.
No, not at all.
Thanks, Caitlin.
Yep.
And in case you were just joining